was too fast. I didn't even push the button yet.
Oh, man.
Wait, do it again.
No, they're too expensive. No more. I have with a bird now. That's it. We already got one.
We got on video. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. No more.
That's all we needed. Oh, what was that?
That's the bird.
Oh, he dropped his nut.
You want to see what that bird does? Look, I train him. I train him.
It's not for my mouth.
Laura, is that trash bin?
Did you get?
Right there, babe.
Oh. Where's the bird?
Wait.
Behind
Behind you.
What?
He's got a nut.
You ready, Beto?
Yeah.
He has one?
He
has a nut.
in his beak. Whoa.
You want to go bury it?
Do that one, Jorge.
Well, I'm going to put it in
that
my
one.
mouth.
That one will take your nose.
It's in a hole.
It's coming?
No, he's looking to bury it. He's still... Rip your lip off.
Oh,
Wait, he's burying it.
He got it.
No, wait. He's looking for a spot.
He always
So
buries
funny
it.
how they do it.
That's hilarious.
He buries it.
Where is he?
He's coming right now. His bird is still.
Oh, without me.
Where is he?
Oh, he's coming. Here, he's coming. He's coming.
Put it, don't bite it. Just make it soft so you can pick it up. Coming, don't move. It's coming.
Don't get scared either. Just relax.
And close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, close your eyes and help so you don't move.
Oh, he knows where the bag is. Wait, he's gonna get it.
Close your eyes and hold.
But what I tell you when.
No, I'm recording already.
He knows he has it. Look. It's coming, don't do nothing.
I got it! I got it, Nicholas!
That was so cool!
How was that? Did he poke you? Oh yeah, here it goes. Hurry up, hurry up.
Right behind.
Got it, Blaine?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh shit!
I got it! I got it! Now what do I do? It's still going.
That's funny.
How do I guess I just stop it.
I don't know. That's cool.
How do I stop it?
Press it again.
Just let go.